Did you ever wonder how political conflicts could affect the crypto market? Well, right now, the feud between Donald Trump and Elon Musk is shaking up the world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we'll break down exactly how this clash is impacting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and other altcoins. And by the end of the video, I'll show you how this could affect your crypto investments in the near future. Let's take a quick look at how this whole feud started. Elon Musk and Donald Trump have been going back and forth on several political and economic issues. Musk has been a strong critic of Trump's tax plans, particularly his Big Beautiful Bill, which Musk called a disgusting atrocity. In retaliation, Trump threatened to cut state funding for Tesla's projects, causing a major stock price drop for Tesla, with over 14% loss, amounting to around $150 billion in market value. This growing tension is not just political. It has significant consequences for the market, including cryptocurrencies. Musk, who has been a vocal supporter of Dogecoin, now faces even more opposition from Trump, impacting both the stock market and the crypto market. So, how exactly is this affecting crypto prices? Well, Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, dropped under the 100 and 1,000 USD mark, and we saw liquidations worth about $1 billion within 24 hours. But it doesn't stop there. Dogecoin, which Musk heavily supports, saw a 6% drop in just 24 hours, and an even larger 12% drop over the last week. This drop is largely due to uncertainty in the market, which is being fueled by the public back and forth between these two influential figures. Both Ethereum and XRP also saw declines, signaling that the whole crypto space is feeling the effects of this feud. The market doesn't like uncertainty, and when figures like Musk and Trump clash, it causes panic selling, leading to losses across various cryptocurrencies. Now let's talk about what the future holds. If this feud continues to escalate, we might see even more market volatility in the near future. While it's impossible to predict exactly what will happen, some experts are speculating that Bitcoin could hit the 180,000 to 250,000 USD range by the end of this year or early next year, especially if the hash rate continues to increase and more institutional investors jump in. That said, political instability and ongoing tensions between high-profile figures like Trump and Musk can cause temporary setbacks. If the market remains volatile for a while, it may be a great opportunity for long-term investors who can handle the risk and want to take advantage of the potential for huge growth in the coming years. For those holding Dogecoin, it's crucial to watch Musk's involvement, as his influence could sway the price in the short term. But there are no guarantees about what direction the coin will take in the long run. So, what's the takeaway from all this? The feud between Trump and Musk is definitely causing uncertainty in the markets, especially when it comes to Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. But at the same time, these fluctuations present opportunities for savvy investors who understand the risks and rewards of the crypto space. What do you think? Is this Trump vs. Musk battle just a temporary issue, or could it have lasting effects on the crypto market? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with all things crypto. Thanks for watching, and until next time, make sure you stay smart with your crypto investments.